Welcome. This be 2021, the very first episode of Football Made in Ghana. My name is Fentio Tahir Fentio. Today on the show, we can't talk about plenty things. Kumasi has something to call from yesterday till today. They did the news inside plenty. Well, right now, just before we come on, Kotoko announced 7 of them are players get COVID-19. The game against Al Hilal, they kick off right now. But Kotoko says 7 of them are players get COVID-19 for the Sudan there. Then 4 officials to get COVID-19. So then people all, in total 11 people, then stop them all from going to the stadium in Omdurman. But Kotoko say that they suspect the test results. They release some statement. We go show you the statement. Kotoko say them they suspect, say the results no, then tamper with the results. We go try give you the list of all the players the Sudanese people say then get the COVID-19. With them all and stop all of them from playing the match. That'd be the biggest story from that place right now. But even before that, there's some drama there. The players demonstrate because they say them are per diem. If the team no pay, they no go play the match. They boycott training. They go fly the money from somewhere, can't pay the players. Where as it stands now, the match they can't play them. So we go into details of Kotoko. What really they go on for there? This one, it be indication of some bigger trouble. And now, it be so the matter. This one, it just be something water under the bridge. Make you forget about them. So that go be one of first issue. Then we go look at government in decisions say right now. Then go allow fans back into the stadium. 25% capacity. How we go feel regulate that? Lagos cities 7 matches into the season, not 1 win, then get 2 points. But what they go on for there? They sack coach, bring new coach, still. Then they lose every day. Poto. We go look at that. Then we go conclude the show with match week 7 and match week 8. Match week 7 has the folk then really steal the show. So does it mean say that right now they be title contenders or it just be some blip or say blip? It just be some one-off. Or maybe we consider them real title contenders. We go look into that matter as well. We go show you some highlights from the game. As usual, your messages all welcome. But we go take some very short break. When we come back, I go introduce my guests. And these 2 guys, they know them as staff. Make you not go anywhere. This be Football Made in Ghana. I said they like talk all the time. This be Football Made in Ghana. And it be football made for you. Be the show made for you. So make you send me a message. The number there your screen top +233 550 585832. But I hear from you. What should they make of all the drama if they go on for the Kotoko camp? Yesterday also I go tweet some things. Some people they insult me, Poto. They say Charlie, the things that they talk, you know. I be liar. But you see, nobody will love Kotoko as anybody. But we all love the club. We all be Kumasi boys. So if things they go on for them, we all we like. If something they frustrate boys where they want to talk to them, people they insult you. So right now make we not talk. If they support club way, people they Ghana said then they insult Frank Lampard and they insult Ole Gunnar Solskjaer for England. But we there cry. If I talk something about Kotoko, then they insult. Hey, Ghana people. But relax. We all we love the club. We want to make Kotoko succeed. If Kotoko succeed, everybody will succeed. Ghana football will succeed. So if some things they know they go on well, for put the authorities in order, if for tell them the truth, it's a matter they where they know they clarify the matter, where speculation they no good. So if for clarify the matter, if for put the truth out there, it be so easy. So you make you not leave some things in a secret, then if somebody talk, then you go come talk, say it not be true. No. Nobody they do communication like that. If the matter be so put it out, make everybody say this be the nobody go see official club statement and go lie. But if you don't put information out, then people go to speculate. Oh, this one is it like this? This one is it like this? So that's good. I beg you. Anyway, make I introduce my guest. So you send me a message, make I hear from you. Even on Twitter as well, if you leave me a message with my personal handle @Fentio or with the hashtag FMGH. My first guest, this guy, the Ghana Premier League inside. He be filler man everywhere in Ghana football. He get filler pass. He's not new to the show. And they like bring him here. My first guest be Seydou Adamu. 442GH.
Fent.
Charlie, the way you wear black suit today.
Yeah, I mean, the events they happen for Sudan, Charlie. For black.
So this in honor of Sudan. You want to go for Sudan?
Yes, in honor of Maya Sanji Kodoko.
Hey.
Charlie.
Black Wednesday.
Charlie, no be good. You know, say they suspend the game, they hold on.
The game, yeah, the kickoff, the game.
They hold the kickoff because one Kotoko player in results no come. So just like the Nwadibo thing, it be like replay. Replay what happened for the Nwadibo thing. Charlie, let me fresh.
All right. My second guess, this guy, ever since House of Oak started the win, he insist on coming on the show. So say he will can't run him mouth. But so me, I bring him here. He go can't run him mouth. Then we go keep him on record. When things go sideways, we all go there here. Ladies and gentlemen, that are cramping. It's my second guess.
Today I dey come backwards.
He come.
Today
I walk backwards.
Today I dey enter the show backwards.
The team will enter backwards.
What happened? They ship them.
You know in the back. You know in the back.
Be careful.
You know in the back.
Good.
Child, we dey inside. We dey inside.
Let me say some Black Wednesday.
The things they go on for them. No, but see me my side here they be.
No, this might be Ghana thing.
Me my side.
No, this might be Ghana thing. No,
it be them matter.
But no, it be Ghana thing. You see, for support.
The first, see guys, the first matter on one agenda. The first matter on one agenda. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Them announce say 7 of them are players get COVID-19. Listen, no. They say the Sudanese say 7 of them are players get COVID-19 and 4 officials. When Kotoko go on, then Kotoko talk say, but the results, them, they suspect say the results no be genuine. Listen, Kotoko say they believe the results. So Kotoko released statement 1 hour before kickoff. Kickoff is supposed to be 1 o'clock right now. Right now the game is supposed to be going on, but the game is on hold. They go on as we speak because of the matters arising from there. The guy said the Nwadibo game for here. The Nwadibo players get COVID-19. Where we do go play today. Today, when they call up the game, the next day they come, go play, we don't go play. When they don't play again, we cancel the match, where they award Kotoko the points, where Kotoko take progress. Now Kotoko goes Sudan, the same scenario they replay for there. The Kotoko players, they say they get COVID. Right now, the Kotoko don't get enough players to play the match. So the match is on hold. Don't be small drama. Now, I can't read the Kotoko statement for you. What then they talk for there? Because Kotoko say, okay, there, the statement, put down for the screen there. He said 4 officials and 7 players are alleged to have tested positive for COVID after the result of the test came in. The COVID results was delivered by known officials of Al Hilal. I don't know who they want to make the deliver the results, but suspiciously enough, the positive results clearly looks different from the negative results. Tell you this one, you understand now?
Yeah, I understand.
The team has made an official complaint to the match commissioner as the COVID results have clearly been tampered with. The team is, however, at the stadium to present a team. So the matter be simple. Kotoko say, Al Hilal officials bring them test results. When the test results, and they talk them say, 7 players get COVID. 4 officials to get COVID. But if we check the positive results and the negative, they look like the tests all come from the same place. So from them, then they see the results, so they interpret with them. In other words, it be like that. The suspect say that Al Hilal people they do something, so say more of them are players not go play the match. This be the crash of the matter.
It's you see,
this is a serious issue.
It's very serious. It's very, very serious.
This is a very serious, it's a serious allegation because the COVID. They say our players have been alleged to have COVID. Yes. Like they don't believe the test.
Yeah, it be true. You see, I want to make we extend and go past Kotoko Al Hilal. You can't say the Nwadibo people come. They accuse Kotoko of the same thing.
Yeah.
The same thing Kotoko they accuse Al Hilal. It be the same thing they accuse them. So it means say by this time like CAF start to do something.
Yeah.
Because how the home team go bring test results.
Yeah.
What's CAF's role in the game?
Are they shocked?
At this stage, CAF forget the COVID-19, but CAF have not be serious.
Because
the
COVID-19 task force in every venue.
The CAF them are COVID relief program here. When they talk say every competition they for appoint somebody they call corona officer. Where CAF them are corona officer day. If they go to the test for hospital, the test will come the corona officer in hand. Why go to the opponent in hand? Yes, sealed. But the results me I see. The positive one, it be some detailed something. Detailed. When the negative one, it be like somebody they write love letter go giving girlfriend. Hi, Charlie, this is not be fresh.
Because seriously, this is a very serious matter. Because
serious.
How can a whole team get results back, then go see say because for England, check like for England, they can't talk say Gabriel Jesus get COVID, then Man City go talk say.
You see, say do they talk. The fact say I come your home. Where it be you where you oversee my COVID results. What did they tell me? You see, we for be serious. This be the same. This be the things where you see we always they talk say we know they promote one again. But it be some of these things where they make them ridiculous. Say if they put them out there, how somebody go like watch this thing? Say it be CAF Champions League qualifier. Final round qualifier before you go enter group stages.
Yeah.
Then I go somebody in house. Then I go give him my sample. Make he can't bring me my result. Why is the opponent the one giving the results? Why say CAF no they oversee this thing? So say if the thing come out, we not say it be from neutral, genuine source. Why say these things they happen? It happened once already. Kotoko Nwadibu. When that thing really go far.
Yes.
It really go far.
Yes.
Let me say that in Ghana
It was a widespread story.
It really go far. When this thing CAF no go fit sit down and say, oh no, if I put one or two things in place, make sure say this thing no go happen again. When Isansu can't happen again, where unfortunately it be the same team where Kotoko still did the matter inside. This thing they look very bad on CAF. Where unfortunately too they bring negative light on Ghana because this be where we don't want to make these things happen. But honestly speaking, they make sense to me. You they watch, this be continental competition.
The players that say they get the COVID. If we sound Kotoko the biggest players.
They take 4 centre backs, 3 get COVID.
Kotoko take 4 centre backs
to Sudan.
To Sudan.
3 get COVID.
3 get
4 defenders.
So goalkeeper.
When they say the COVID results.
One goalkeeper have get. Felix get.
Yes. When the results come back, where they say 3 of the 4 centre backs no all get COVID. So right now, if Kotoko go play the match part there, some striker for can't play centre back.
For call Max so make he can't play centre back. That's what they do. Sense no day this
time. I know you laughing matter.
Sense no day laughing because after they talk, the match no they go on.
No, the match no they go on. But you know what? The most grievous part be say, this is a CAF say you forget 15 players.
Yes.
Then you go play.
So they said that come out 7, no?
No, they come out 7, 11, 15. When the 15
because they take 22 players.
No, hold on. The 15s are they will hold one in results. So now Kotoko get 40, so they know if he play. So Kotoko they protest, they may they bring the one in results no come no. Then they will get 15, then go play. That's what they call it.
That's what they hold them.
I think say the same thing Kotoko do.
The same thing
Kotoko do no Adibo.
No, the same thing happened in the Nwadibo match.
He passed, so I thought he passed.
The same thing.
I thought he passed.
The same thing happened for the Nwadibo match.
The same thing happened for the Nwadibo.
Okay, make I talk well. The same thing Nwadibo alleged say Kotoko do am.
Okay.
You like this one?
Yes.
You like this one?
I like
okay,
that
so maybe more. The same thing the people alleged say Kotoko do them. You say the match commander say okay if you get 15 people make we play. But people they get 14 players. So only one player. That is the same thing they happen to Kotoko. Now Kotoko get 14 players. They wait the results of one man. See the statement they release. Right now they release fresh statement.
Another statement.
Yes, right one. Kotoko say game on temporary hold as we await the delivery of in quote the missing COVID results of one Asante Kotoko player.
It's missing. How?
Wow. What? Wow.
CAF Champions League qualifier.
So in all these things, you say some names no come yet.
Yes.
Where the match commissioner day, where the general coordinator day, where the CAF COVID-19 medical officer day.
Corona officer. Where he pass?
Where he pass?
Where? It's all you see. Kumasi has got to go. Check like the club, it they attract drama. Like it's just like it they attract drama because this is happening on the day of the match. When before the day of the match yesterday, some other matters happened. The players go catch them Monday. Tuesday they say the training they don't go do. They don't go do. And the club they owe them per diem. How much? $400 per player. 22 players, 8,800. If they don't pay, they don't go train. Well, if they don't pay, make them train. The match said they don't go play. So they force the Kotoko management. make them go find the money in Sudan. Wherever they find the money, they find it. Somebody said they go Darfur. Go fight for them.
Darfur be South Sudan, right?
Yes.
They will cross the border.
Somebody said they cross the border.
It's better say you can't Ghana.
They go there.
They go meet the militants for them.
Anything will be happy for
How
them.
you go get money for Darfur?
Bottom line, Kotoko management go find the money when they pay the players. Right? So right now they match them for play 2, another COVID matter come. But we will talk about that striking issue too, because it also be another underlying matter. That's why I will start with you, Daniel. I mean, we did we say, how you go catch Sudan? Because then they owe them no be now. But then wait, they go catch Sudan. They check like right now the players, you know, it check like the abroad way they see say they fit do those things. Because if they do it for you, somebody will go beat them. They go catch them, they say they must pay the money. Then go shot. The money is $400 per player. That be why the Kotoko players boycott training. No, if you get that training back, but you get your money.
You see, if you can't this matters, you see the way Kotoko channel them inner Black Stars. But you see, if you can't this matters, me I always talk say. Wait, that before I go touch on my point, I watch the commentary where they go on for social media and things. People they talk say, oh, the players no try them things. Me see, you know say you for pay them, you they owe them chair. We all know say this thing. If the money way the board members way then they owe them go pay them a money long time.
Yeah.
If it be the big man way then for collect them a money, then go collect long time. So we could establish that grounds first. Now you know say they go fly give, and I will mention this one again. CAF Champions League qualifier. CAF Champions League qualifier where your club go there. Everybody go see you.
Yeah.
Everybody they can see you. This thing, if you do paint, the whole Africa go here.
Yeah.
It no be Ghana matter. You do paint, everybody go here. You know say then they owe them. We make no lie when our body say the players keep quiet time before they reach there.
No, they start
to complain.
Yeah, even before the Nwadubo match.
They tell you people long time ago, you don't mind them.
It be true.
Then you go reach there, make this thing escalate. Me, I don't go blame the players. So I know they talk say what them do be right, but I don't go blame them. You never know what they are going through personally.
Yep.
You don't know what they are going through.
No,
you don't know.
It be money.
It be money.
It be money to them.
It be money in today's day.
Hey, it be money to them.
It be money. This kind pandemic way they go through. It be serious money.
4 times 6 be 2,400.
It be serious money.
For the CDC side already.
Yes.
Oh, you do the calculation already. I do
Roughly.
So
Give or take.
me, see, make you no lie your body. You don't know what they are going through.
That's somebody monthly salary.
Charlie, you don't know what they go through.
Charlie, somebody like in half-year salary. You talk say monthly.
So this thing, Charlie, just give them. When you see what they bomb me, you reach there, then do giddy, then you pay them. So then what
That's
do they
always what they are the back.
So then what
you say then the money day, then like if you find the money.
But then what do they go do? Or somebody want chop, or somebody want hide them, or somebody want invest them, or what you want to do?
This investment matter.
It come again. Because people say pay my money. You know, we say the money we promise or so. You for take give
it
them.
Be due.
It be due them. It be based on contract. You for pay somebody money. You don't do make the thing can make giddy negative press. Now you pay them, everything settled. Right now everybody knows.
Now they miss training, don't forget them back. But the other issue we say. The other critical matter we say, they can talk about the officials and the mistakes they make. What are the players from my point of view? Like the same thing happened for Brazil. Like if you progress to the group stages of the CAF Champions League, even as a player, if they increase your value, you go get more money.
Yeah.
This chance day to do that, but it be the $400, and I know they underestimate the $400, but instead of make you try and see if you go get the big money, the $400 then they owe you already. You work for them already. It be there. Whether you get them today in Sudan or you will get them in the future, it be money where it day. What about the other money where you go get potentially? If you go training, prepare well, then play the match, take progress. What you go bring to yourself, what you go bring to your club. So those things don't matter to the players, and that be the other issue.
Faint.
Make her relax.
If you relax.
You dey talk potential than reality.
No, the reality day. No. The reality is established.
Yes.
They go pay. Today or tomorrow they go pay.
No.
$400.
I beg. I earn them in name, but I don't earn them in come my pocket. That one will be reality. If they want me, make a trust in potential. What are you talking about?
Shock.
The thing I work for, you don't pay me. You hear that proverb? They say a bird in hand be better past 1,000 in the bush. You don't hear before. No. You see me there. You see some things be reality. And say, but with the hard reality, that's why things they go this way. Me I talk say the players them are action be justified.
Really?
The timing be appropriate. No be right, it be appropriate. See, organized groups, they want something and they put them body in an advantageous position.
Of course.
Like you mentioned that. You know here say no water, no vote before.
Of course.
You know here no electricity, no vote before. What time they do that?
Close election.
So what did they talk about? Now see, the people they crossroads, where they catch, they know say it be very, in fact, it be extremely difficult to qualify. So if they not qualify, how sure say they will get the ones they play already?
Yes.
So you don't tell me say the players themselves now. What did they tell me? Say the players know say that you know go be so they for collect their money.
In reality, they know. Say it be an unsurmountable task. So why they for go do Jojo? The best approach. See, why somebody want to defend this?
But you see, the point you they talk, you know, it also be counter and self-defeats because the other question be say, so the process where you go through, you can't catch here. The money you earn, or you know, say like in the end, you go end up with nothing, but you still want to collect the money.
This thing be accountability.
No, the one they work for him already.
Yes, but you work for him to get to group stages or to come catch
But
that.
you not touch. I no feel am. So
feel
what
am.
be the guarantee say this one if I do you
If
go
I
give me? What be the
But
guarantee?
you know that the money you make they take give you know that money, or they work for that money, or because you want to go reach group stages.
I tell you, I tell you say I won't reach group
But
stages.
that be the
Or I
aim.
tell you say I the work so say I will get my money.
But that be the aim.
What be the aim? If the aim as the fan,
Say,
if the aim as the fan,
they say pay take as you work.
So pay as you go.
Yes, they work. Give them. But you see, make we not assume say the players know have they seen before.
that be the
Of
thing.
course.
That be the thing.
Make you also know say before players go take this action, then shall water pass through the pipe
Then
inside.
that them
Yeah.
So
That
I
may be
beg,
true.
this is the time the players need our support.
Okay.
What they do be justified. If a clap for them, then encourage management, say, make they go encourage the boys. Say now we give you the money, we are prepared to give you more. In fact, they for show them fiscal cash. So if you qualify, we go give you more.
Too good me so.
If they like crowd, they for take the money, give the captain, make go put for a hotel room. Say if you win, I take. This is the time the players need that. It not be time for victimize
you come
somebody.
back when you don't see the players.
You go,
Where the money to?
they go. But see, another critical point.
Why you don't have me before?
You have
Players
me
know
before.
ahead. So
But another critical point. If I not say this is Masters and what we to talk about.
Shock.
A club where today they go fit sack all the players, the main new players.
Yeah.
So if
So the
today,
players know this.
they
They know.
Yeah.
So if you don't take your money today,
Now players no left Kotoko.
Ghana FA picking
If
key
me
already.
management Ghana, don't go pay.
Yes, Ghana FA picking key already. They can't open transfer. Once you open, Kotoko is capable of replacing all these players.
Coach said they no pay him compensation.
You can't.
Coach said they
So
they
the
no pay
players
him
them are
compensation.
action be justified.
justified
before
for
be, they, once if they work in quality, they for be paid.
I get plenty messages here. People, Charlie, so somebody said, Fento, we told Yanum that they are not ready. Them Russia, now they see them as witness level. Eric in Kokrobi TV is sent that message. Good afternoon, lads. Kotoko just want to use this as strategy and come back without playing the match. They realize that they go lose heavily as the players no get them monies. So this is a way to dodge a bad record for the club like Barcelona. Although wishing them speedy recovery if it's really true. This is Eric Nyaba at Sabon Zongo, Aigbe Town.
Say if it's really true.
Friend Eric Boyan from Takwa Dumping said, football made in Ghana go live long. Kotoko them a COVID case, make it no affect our movement for Ghana there. Okay. For Ghana here, sorry. All right. The lad from Dansuma says, Africa. Yeah, bro. Africa. Yeah, bro.
It be true.
The last time I'm all.
Europe people start they play through COVID from August. We no hear this matter before.
Eh?
For all the over 500 clubs for Europe.
Even yesterday, Premier League say how many players? 40.
Yes.
But they still
they justify.
play.
See, Everton, the City. they give the information enough period.
You
Make
see,
City no travel staff.
you see where the communication safety come from. Premier League,
Yes.
they tell we say these people get. This one, if your opponent,
If
they
the
tell you
opponent,
say,
if they tell,
this your player.
if the opponent they can't give you the result staff.
If they choose,
they choose.
when the star players say, then they say, no, this one
they
get.
go attack. They don't say
Who is Alexander?
Who is Alexander? I this guy, you get called. What else? Challenge.
That be what. Say Africa, you're brave. That be wrong matter. Good day, Mr. Tahir. I suggest say Kotoko management must be dismissed. How can you sack Coach Maxwell for losing just one match? Adnan Pelu from Washington, where he sent that message. Hi, fam. It's Montana Inside Sprinters. First, please, between CAF and GFA, who is more serious? This question there.
Go.
Good afternoon. Kotoko Gargantuan team should come back for isolation for 14 days. Evans in Tamale. Evans, they raise another important point because if Kotoko come back, there are Premier League matches to go be affected.
Yes, that's what
they
they
will
want to my mind.
isolate.
Yes,
If it's
they will
true.
isolate.
Thank you, Evans, for drawing our attention to that particular matter. Thank you. One team, they Ghana, there are people they make every bro believe say it be the richest and well branded team. But the moment you enter the team, you go see say everything where he did the team inside be like
It means say the front be very hard.
He talk, he
but,
not finish.
But you go there.
Say everything just like the bini pepe, very shiny outside, but the inner be bunch of bees. Chill. Kwame Adum Jr. where he sent that message. Julius from Dawinia says, Kotoko players do well. Wow. What be them? Said that be the Makoko season. I'm going to talk. So, Kotoko players they get more support from a lot of the guys. But guys, we're going to take some short break. But I just go ask you guys very shortly on this particular one because the matter sometimes if you're there, they think like you know the bar. I know the bar. So right now, the matter where it catch Kotoko, what will happen?
Yeah, what will happen is say. Now, if a press home they get the one result, then they have 15 people, then go into the game, then play.
Okay.
That would be face saving. That no say they no go play cry. But you see, this also calls for reflection.
Yeah.
The management for come sit down, maybe lock them body for like 5 days, then reflect on the time they pick. And in fact, fortunately,
if they don't lock them out, they don't go reflect.
No, we see outside
people
stuff.
run away.
Fortunately for them. Today be what sit.
Yes.
So the third night be them 100 days.
Yes.
So 100 days be like everybody it be like 10 over
Yes.
reflect. So fortunately for them, they did the mood where they go free reflect. Then ask themselves questions, then invite answers. Then they go feel move on.
Okay.
Because see, me what they happen or it be one thing that they fear. The 2-4 go feel crack and whip.
Then the whole management go.
Clear everybody.
Because the 2-4, what you know they like say you go hear the name of the club.
Bad publicity.
They put but you know they like that thing. Because he say the Ashanti Empire, the football club, be one of the biggest subsect. So if the name of Kotoko they go bad now, 2-4 go. That be what I know because I not say this management. I mean they get potential, like they like potential, they get potential. So make them reflect. Then come up with a strong statement where it go show say did they want to take the club to a new direction.
All right. Okay, so that then Daniel Kranti be my guest for here on Football Made in Ghana. We're going to take some short break. When we come back, we're going to move away from the Kotoko issues. Then we're going to look at some other issues. Lagos cities, the 25% capacity for stadium. How we go to implement that? We're going to show you the GFA, them a list. They say they know the capacity of all the stadia. Where they say the 25% for each stadium, it be this number of people. We're going to see how we go try implement that. Then we're going to look at Hearts of Oak and them a match to the trophy or whether it be pretense. We cannot go anywhere. We'll come back right in now. Welcome back. This be Football Made in Ghana. Some news is just coming from Sudan. Al Hilal Omdurman then put Twitter right now. My opponent and just put for Twitter right now say the Al Hilal match versus Asante Kotoko has been cancelled due to the incomplete number of Asante Kotoko players. The Al Hilal match against Kotoko has been cancelled due to the incomplete number of Asante Kotoko players. This be the tweet from Al Hilal Omdurman, where they do artwork. I don't know if you go feel see where the artwork Al Hilal put full time for them.
Full time, but no results.
Al Hilal put full time for them. All right.
Oh, Charlie.
So wait.
But they too want this.
Al Hilal put full time for them.
They named him as starting level. Oh.
Full time. Full time.
Go down.
Full time.
You go down. No, hold on. Go down. You see, they named him as starting level.
Yeah,
minutes later, no, they say full time.
So, Sedu, that be all. So, it means Kotoko lose.
Yeah.
Kotoko lose the game.
Yes, 2-0. That's the law.
Breaking news.
2-0.
Kumasi Atadu Kotoko knocked out of Africa.
No, they are not knocked out.
They're
of
not
Africa.
Okay, knocked out of CAF Champions League. Please, Ebo do that story. Kotoko knocked out of CAF Champions League. Where Ebo they make you do that story? This is unfortunate.
Very, very unfortunate. Very, very. See,
really unfortunate. Not be laughing matter.
Yes,
It's very unfortunate.
Not only unfortunate for Ghana, but it be unfortunate for Africa football.
Serious.
Say many of our games go end without kicking the ball.
Because right now it's becoming a trend.
Yes. See what Enyimba did to Americ. Americ to be I lad my brother.
Yeah.
Where the law be specific, it be clear. Say if you know go play the ball in your capital, where the place is more than 200 kilometers, if you
fly them.
The law is there.
They say make Enyimba give them plane. They say Make they give them even make they locate them, give the nearest airport staff, they don't mind them. Can you imagine?
That thing happened for Ghana here.
Charlie, Africa football for grow up. This you go talker, somebody go stand somewhere say they criticize.
A shock.
Someone go talk say
they say
like
negative.
Somebody say we like negative.
But this nonsense.
But if you don't react,
the law do clear.
For stop.
Because from Lagos to where anybody Abia State.
See.
They can't catch there. The law say if fly them.
You never go make progress if you do these things.
Charlie,
see,
it be
this,
pathetic.
honestly speaking, this be the reason why your normal football fan go tune in, they watch European football.
So
because it be guaranteed say,
see,
as for the players, then go show up, they play them. This nonsense.
See, make I tell you one critical thing. When they talk of marketing the branding, if somebody be serious Kotoko fan, he go lose interest. See, you know say Kotoko the Nwadibo that's actually they pay that the man sponsor.
Yeah,
what be the man sick?
Yeah.
It be chick or sick.
Sick will say
okay, they pay that the man CEEK. You know say they pay. They subscribe.
Yeah.
Saturday they don't get the ball watch.
The following
the Saturday, the Sunday, the Kotoko come and show them. When you know Saturday, the people probably say they get 100,000 subscribers for that game alone. But now they target 200,000. Then the Sunday they get additional 30,000. The game no come on. Yesterday they come and show them. Say, oh, the people they pay that money, 15 cedis
today.
They go feel reuse that money, but today they no see again. You think say Kotoko go fit take in proposal go any broadcasting company?
They don't be serious.
Because see, you see some Obi Van Day the stadium. You know say now return what I go to because the move say they can't shoot like the game, they no shoot. Now they left the Van Day. They fuel everything they use. Make useless.
Yeah.
So you see, the game is not only played on the field. So things they happen outside where they affect people them alive. That they mean like this. If I tell the money I lose, you no go believe. Because I go cover, we no come on. So I don't get my money. Where there are child people like that, where they depend on the game. So if you look for your 3 points alone, so you make the game no come on, the thousands of people will affect.
This matter. So
let's see how CAF will react. And you see, CAF have show say they be one of the most useless competitions in the world.
And the moment they don't get president.
Yes, they don't get president. See, because they like CAF will be some strong city. But you know, mind, they only say this is a Kotoko qualify on 2 goals.
And you see,
full time.
The irony is that, and they pay me say I talk this, but the CAF Deputy General Secretary in charge of competitions is our very own.
Our own boy.
Our very own. Tony Bafo. He's the CAF Deputy General Secretary in charge of competitions. So all of these things, they fall directly at the doorstep of Tony Bafo. That be the other truth. But what we don't know be say how much direct influence he gets over these things. Yeah. But this is for they like in office that like this be in job. So as to whether he get the power and give him the authority to act, that one we not go fit tell. But that be the truth. The truth is that all these things they fall directly under him, Tony Bafo. So that be the big news in the coming. CAF Champions League, Asante Kotoko knocked out after failing to present players for the game, or adequate players, after failing to present adequate players for the match. That be the big news. Big news. But right now, Kotoko will drop down to the Confederation Cup. Who are the potential opponents?
Well, as you say,
Raja there's some, but Raja from the Champions League, they know if you meet them.
They know if you meet. So
yeah. The other teams from the CAF Confed Cup.
The other teams from, as you say,
I think it's East Africa.
Cotton Sport Day inside.
Yes. But it'd be tough. It'd be very tough pool.
Yes, it'd be tough pool. Yes, Cotton Sport Day inside. So I say it's like Pyramid 2 Day inside.
Yes.
Yes, Pyramid 2. They win the match.
So Kotoko still gets one chance to play in Africa. The losers of the last the winners of the last CAF Confederation Cup qualifying round go meet the losers of this round from the CAF Champions League for a place in the group stages of the CAF Confederation Cup. So Kotoko no be out of Africa true and true. Yeah. They get another chance to play in the Confed Cup group stages. They just for win them a next match with whichever opponent then go draw them against. But I'm going to move on the conversation. If you just join with the big news, we say Kotoko no fit present enough players to the game against Al Hilal. They say 7 players get COVID, where 1 additional player in results no come. So in the end, Kotoko get only 14 players available. Where CAF say before a match go figure if you have what? 15 players.
If you have 11 starting, then 4 on the bench.
Kotoko no fit present 15 players to the match commissioner. So the match commissioner declared the match a win for Al Hilal. That be the story. Simple and simple.
You know the funny thing, Kotoko thinks they play fast, so they take 22 players go. And they put them so we go show you.
Charlie. Because I just say Kotoko knew this.
No, they foresaw it.
So players will get COVID. So they for take as
because at this time like they go take 18 go. Yeah. And they take 22.
Yeah. Usually it go take 18. But anyway, so that be the biggest story where it come from. The really sad news. Really sad.
For me, it not be sad, it be bad.
It be bad news.
Not be bad news, not be sad. It be bad give Africa
really
football.
Bad news.
Bad.
Charlie, really bad. In fact, me, but I don't say I make slow.
Every round, yeah.
Don't say I make slow.
Yeah.
I don't want to talk about them again.
Be bad.
I Charlie. How? Oh no. But good news we say now fans are back in the stadium. Let me show you. The Ministry of Youth and Sports announced a 25% capacity. Now all the stadiums for the Ghana Premier League will admit 25% capacity. The big problem for Ghana be say the stadium, plenty of them no be sitting. So how you go fit tell the capacity? Well, the GFA released a statement where they determine each venue, then what the 25% capacity go be like. So make I show you the artwork. Yeah, there. Say so. 4 teams go play at the Accra Sports Stadium. Hearts of Oak in Dallas, Olympics, Lagos cities.
5.
I shocked say they don't add Kotoko.
No, Kotoko inside 5.
5. Okay, yes, good. So that be 40,000. 25% of that be 10,000. So from now onwards, Accra Sports Stadium go fit take 10,000 people every match day. That place we don't get problem because it be seats. You go fit determine. Hey, but the problem be Liberty Professionals. That place, they say that my capacity be 6 stars. So if you be 6 stars there, then they
Liberty Professionals.
Why they laugh?
Why they can't do that? I can already be 6,000.
Yeah. They say so 25% of that 1,005. When they say the Uber, it be 4,000. So now they go take 1,000. That be 25%. King Faisal. Or in your park, it be 6,000 capacity. 25% of that be 1,005. All the way down, you see all of them. The problem is say all these places seats no day. So who will it count? So tell you, what if they count?
Well, you say for the Ansoman, the VIP stand day.
The VIP stand no be 6,000.
No, hold on.
So hold on for what? Once they take counter, he says the VIP stand day. The VIP stand.
He said the VIP stand day.
You know what? That place
did they
is
calculate?
600.
Hold on. Did they calculate the number of seats did the VIP stand? Then did they calculate based on the ticket they sell for the maximum, like the largest match? Like the match way.
The largest match will be overcrowded. You know that.
Oh.
What is
depends.
But it be true.
It depends. So
no, it
let's,
depends.
Let's
you don't say you go fit oversell some games.
Yes, obviously.
So if you use that
let's average the overcrowded one. Then you multiply them by you divide them by 4.
So you see the formula
so the good news we say fans go fit watch game. The good news we say now clubs go fit take money.
Of course.
These two be the good news. But the rest. So this one like this, I talk say the FA get big challenge for this directive, because if you read the statement, you say the ministry make very specific for the last part. It talks say they monitor them.
Yeah.
They monitor them.
Yeah.
So the challenge now they for the FA in hand.
Okay.
Say it will ensure all these things.
The thing go hard.
But see for the Liberty then those places, it no be difficult. What the FA go feed do be say. Those places, if it be category A match, just move to a bigger stadium like Accra.
Yeah.
Like this weekend, Liberty.
So you can feel they change them randomly like that.
No, but
exactly.
but we don't say Liberty then Konogo staff. Liberty has they play for Accra. It's just for enforce Anglican. Because obviously Liberty then Konogo for than someone is not possible.
You bab.
It's not possible.
The other issue be say the standing stadiums, so Charlie, if they enter safe. Even the 1,500 people enter safe. How do we go? Because before we go watch the game, we all for watch each other. Then
you see that if you go more, the thing then they paste for the floor top. Then for paste for the
side. Yes, I can't talk. You say they for paste, but I don't want to be cost. If the additional cost, give them.
The additional cost, if
the additional cost. Like if they fit do, it will be fine. The additional cost.
Oh, Charlie, what is? But if the figures will define me.
No, but the figures
is defining me.
The figures, I mean, the club they played there over the years, so they know the people that they come there.
Oh,
so for me, the figures will be wahala give me.
No, you see, for the main stadiums, if they talk Cape Coast, Accra, even in Doom Stadium, some of the stadiums where they get waffle like this, you see they get proper seating. Yeah. That one they be easy to regulate. It be very simple. It be easy to regulate. But this standing stadium, make no can lie on our body say
we know the capacity.
No, you see, so what I expect the FA could do say the standing stadiums, or they get like VIP sections. Like at the expect they talk say all those stadiums they for use only the
stand.
That's
what
man. Maybe use the VIP alone.
In
so
Doom,
like, yes, in Doom. Maybe use where the stands there alone.
Yeah.
Like the Akumpa. They will say maybe use this side.
Coronation. Say.
Yes, Coronation or even
Agambedu
for Doma.
Yes.
But this time they do another stand for the opposite. Make it talk so.
That will not say the stand with the Raja fight.
The Raja fight. I know they're back.
Oh yeah, we are there.
Mantaya.
No be small fight. This country we come here. If you go talk, then somebody go say concentrate on EPL. Do you know me? Do you? If I talk, they say concentrate on your EPL. Do you know me? Ghana football pack no day way I no go there before. Me and some people now. If you not then can't say if you not then no. But the things we do for
pay attention to them people.
Why? No, I mean for do your job.
Make them talk.
Do your job.
So that's the good news. But we can move on now. Lagos cities right now. Lagos cities the trend. They be the Charlie the trend.
They sharp us.
Make I show you them at form. Hey Charlie, Mkoye crowd. Lagos cities. Hey!
Oh! No, this is not be Lagos. No green for inside.
No.
Share.
Oh, why you green that?
The last three are LLL.
Charlie.
They draw 3 matches. They started with a draw. When they lose, when they sack the coach. When they hire a new coach. When I hire their new coach to be deal. That's the Lumba.
No, but you know they drive. Why Bishop they do this? The DCF be red. The DCF before be ash make you say oh Anya then goes on 1 point. This red.
If be orange, please. Check well. If be orange. If be orange.
Let me say I be color blind.
The DB orange.
And then they see colors the way.
See, now in Koye, but you see the good news is that
since Bash come, see Bash informal LLL.
No, basket 2D then 3L. You get 2D then 3L. But see, no, basket 1D because it no be
no, the other D they no be am.
The other D no be
the first D they no be am.
But you see,
you sure say you no get one?
No. You get one D.
You get 1D.
You get 1D
So
then
I'm saying that
3L.
the 2 Ds, no one no be him.
One no be one be our man.
So he play 4 games. You
Yes.
see who? So DLLLLL. The game. When you pronounce Lagos City number 4.
It take like some young ringing tone. Be challenge sharp.
Okay, I beg. Apologies.
No, they know shy. The league will be difficult.
No, but the players can get all know the league. So what they go on?
He said they know shy. The league will be difficult.
But yeah, I told the other man that you see we can talk am now. They know shy. If I encourage my players, they know shy. If the league will be difficult,
No be them shy.
He said for talk am nice.
So the W call on the challenge 0.
they don't like that one.
Yeah, they don't like that
They
one.
like that one.
So how they go feel overturn this?
It's simple. They bought players who were good. They were good. See, I will give you the profile of them as players. Joseph Eji, when last he played football? Nicolas Mensah, when last he played football? You see? So, Baba Mama, when last he played football? Nicolas Jean, when last he played football?
Maybe pedigree.
Someone no play ball for 11 months. So you see,
So they get lots of rusty players.
rusty players. It could take, so, you know, if I give you that, you know, say they concede 3 penalties in the league.
Already.
If yes, in 7 matches, if team they concede penalties are what be the, you know the problem.
They don't think catch up with the opponent. Be
Exactly.
slow.
Be too slow.
Exactly.
fitness dey
So
low.
I talk say they for relax. They for relax. But I go talk one last thing where they worry them. Then when I talk, I no go talk again. They for relax, give the team. The Ghana Premier League, with the fit take week 34, win the league or go relegation.
Yep.
Because
So hope they.
too much. Make I tell you. Make I tell you. If the next time you go invite me, I will bring some chat. Then you go see teams where they get red for like almost 25 weeks, but they still survive.
Wow.
It's possible they can survive, but if for relax, issues of moving your bars away and leaving players, issues of gunshots and rest, they for relax. No, see, we not be boast, but if we can't, the Ghana Premier League, yeah, we get some more experience.
Of
They
course.
for relax.
Of course.
Then pray say, Mr. Ketokwe could go open the window. Make it
When
no
they
go.
sign more players.
Yes.
But they sign the worst players.
No. I tell you the problem of the players. They be rusty players. They could take time.
To make them sack them.
They for not sack them. They
But
for
make them
blend.
add.
Yes, they for
You know what
blend.
they add?
They
They be
for
squad.
blend. They for blend plus new songs.
Then you for sack some.
For Saxon.
Why not? Come on, sack go sack. Come on, they no get my players no get 6 months. They go sack. Why not Leon City? They for sack. But they for relax.
Eh.
They for relax. What the last thing I want to talk be say? They for look for Songbe. You know Songbe? You don't know Songbe?
What is Tongbe?
You know Songbe. I don't say Songbe. I say Songbe.
Okay.
They must spiritually they be weak.
Say do.
Oh, we dey analyze the whole thing. I do the sporting bit. I do the management bit. I do, but they not talk to human
So
being. You be body, spirit, and soul.
Say do Adamu.
Yes.
The renowned journalist.
I say
You are
they be.
recommending
I say they be spiritually weak.
Lagos cities make the high spiritualist.
However, I say they be spiritually weak. Lagos cities be spiritually weak.
I dey go house.
You go ask.
I dey go house.
See, if this thing that you use for support, you have support people. Not you go attack your board, say, you know, they take you go Newtown. Newtown, why you go before them?
We go seek this thing.
Newtown, why you go before them? What they do for Newtown?
I will stop you for that. Lagos take what somewhere.
Songme.
Lagos cities are
That one-
spiritually weak. That be the new headline.
No, they be spiritually weak. That one, yeah. So they for relax.
They take
Relax,
somewhere.
brah.
Sign more
They for
players.
sign players.
Stop the Gantins.
So the Gantin, then the bus, they leave the players. That's why you be fresh.
Yes.
It was why you believe.
And in Lagos City, they say if they lose now, then they sack the player. You go walk home.
Yeah, why you
Then go
connect
drive the bus.
Fresh.
But I get one message. After that, we'll show you how to folk them win against Bechem United. I will show you the full table, what it look like right now. This is Kepler, our very own Kepler.
Hey, Kepler.
Kepler says, Charlie, Ghana power, so we make serious power with this. Hey, so Liberty Stadium where it takes 6,000. Hey, my lord. Well, let's pray for protection. And yes, hello. Kepler, thanks for your message. Bosu from Castland says, Accra Sports Stadium where they make 10K, you know. The spectators for a normal match, they go be like 100 people. Okay. But then people they go.
People they go.
Lagos Cities informed the only acrobatic go fit pronounce am correct o. That is true. So you talk say Kotowo contingent had not been tested before embarking on the trip. Adnan Pello. He's asking a critical question. I sure say they test them, they no get.
They test because they test before the board.
They test.
Plane.
They don't get where they take go. But the COVID says, you know, if you catch someone,
but you see, CAF no be serious again.
Exactly.
Why test results will come day of the match?
Sure.
Test results should come 48 hours to the game. 48 hours to the game. Who does test or test results comes hours before the game?
I can read more messages. If the breaking news just coming in now is really true, then Kotoko should also be banned 3 years from the Ghana Premier League. Baba, that's inside the end.
Relax.
Baba, why?
Relax.
Baba, why? A continent does not allow young and energy guys to occupy positions. These are just a few things that happen to them. Sometimes I wonder it be the same God where He create Africans. Oh, by you. Hey, Kotoko, welcome home. See you guys at the airport from Fred in Tema. Friend, I know the bad one thing here. In most of Fortnite Stadium, there are no seats. So how can GFA be able to give 25% to each stadium? Funny country, Kwame Adum Jr. But Kwame, I show you.
They imagine the stands for them. They are progressive thinkers.
Shaba Rasti from Bokrom Estate in Kumasi says the Al-Hilal match has Asante Kotoko cancelled due to the lack of complete number of Kotoko players. One thing African football will never progress is why should CAF leave the corona test to be done by the individual teams? Are we safe? Africa, I think we need salvation. I see. Rashford Evans in Ho says, this evening, these 7 Kotoko players plus the officials, the COVID result party. Chai! We had a crowd be this. Wishing them speedy recovery. Okay. Kotoko, why I have placed my bet to away team score under 1.5 because they can't score more than 1 goal. Well, I know your bets no come out that particular game because the game then cancel them already. My house is coming back. Kotoko the go drink goes today. We move. Clenham in Ho. The game is cancelled. Lawrence and Axin says, I want to ask why don't you show the matches on GPL live? Charlie, sometimes get the right. We will not get the right. We will show you highlights, but we don't get the right. Hey, Kotoko go fit own place. Where the goal day? By Anaba from Bolgatanga. All right, make I show you the full results from match week 7 of the Ghana Premier League right now. Go through that very quickly, and then I go show you the table. Then so see, House of Freedom results, standard results 6-1 against Bechim. But look at that, Wafa 4, Wafa 5, Mediama 4, 9 goal trailer. You know, be now, Charlie, massive game. All right. So how the table they look like after this? The Ghana Premier League table there after 7 matches. It be Karela where he did top 14 points. Bechim 14, Wafa 13, Ashko 12, Heart of Folk 11, Great Olympics 11, Adriana 10, Liberty 10. Charlie, it be very tight. Then 9-9, 8, 7-7, 6-6, 5-3. Charlie. Very close.
It be average league.
Yeah.
It be average league.
Nobody rich.
No, maybe average league. Everybody's trend be the same.
Yeah.
So if I show you the charter, you go see teams just they move. Just like that.
Should nobody occupy top 4?
It be only Kerala you occupy like 3.
So you about weeks.
Like 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Then Bechim once, Wafa once.
Even Lagos City, 1 win will shoot them out.
Exactly. That's why I say no panic.
Because 1 win is 6. Suddenly they're out of relegation.
That's why I say make the no panic.
Yeah.
Because the Ghana Premier League, we didn't watch the league table. We didn't watch points.
Yep.
Say like Sunday, like this, somebody asked me where Liberty Day. Well, I say where you did no be problem. Check the points gap.
We had 3 points today.
Yeah. 4 points.
So for instance, see where Mediama deal, but they be only 1 point away from the drop.
Yep.
So if you go lie about this, say, oh, me I did 13, and you lie, it be only 1 point, you did relegation.
And they are only 1 win from 7 position.
Exactly.
All right. Let us show you the fixtures for match week 8. The games to look forward to this weekend. Legon City's at home to Wafa. Mediama at home to Ejana. That'll be massive game.
Massive.
Bechem Kings Faisal. Olympics Ashanti Gold. That's another good game.
Massive game.
Chelsea Inter Allies. Wonders Karela. That's another good one.
Yeah.
Dreams Dwarfs. A Shea-4 match. Elmina Sharks Hearts of Folk.
Massive. Big
This should be a massive game.
Big game.
At the Indum Stadium. Kotoko and Liberty. So right now you go to the stadium. So go to the stadium, go support your
they
team.
Can't tell us what they see.
Yeah, go to the stadium. More messages, but I don't know if you read all of them and scroll them. But guys, that'll be what I show for today. Kotoko take all one at a time. We know if you show the Hearts of Oak 6 goals, but make you know, you do YouTube, go check it out. Start times put down for the channel for the. Seydou, thank you.
Thank you.
DK.
We score 6.
DK, I got some message give you.
We score 6.
No, wait. I got some message give you. The message I forget.
You woman.
Yeah. It said, hey Charlie, the G he did done the blue top there. He dress oh. If you do mistake, the poor T for in dress top. La That's our show for today. Thank you very much. Until next time, take care of yourself and bye bye.